Everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surpisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward to talk about the Madhya Pradesh state and that too regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. That how you can take the admission in MP state and that too in the MDS course. So first of all we need to know about what are the colleges available in the MP state. So begin with the MP dental colleges. The first one is the government college, that is the GDC Indore, with the Sri Aurobindo College of Dentistry, that is again in Indore. The third college of Madhya Pradesh and that too for the dental field, that is the Rishi Raj College of Dental Sciences and University, which is present in Bhopal, and it is having the affiliation to the MP MSU University. Next, top fourth dental college in Madhya Pradesh is the Mansarovar Dental College and University, which is affiliated to MP MSU University and which is present in Bhopal. The top fifth dental college of Madhya Pradesh is the People's Dental College, that is in Bhopal, and it is also having the affiliation with the MP MSU. Then People's College has two branches, so don't forget about this. Right now the sixth number of the Dental College of Madhya Pradesh, RKDF Dental College and University, which is again affiliated to the RKDF University. Followed by the seventh Dental College of Madhya Pradesh is the Hitkarni Dental College and University, which is again present in Jabalpur, and again it is having the affiliation with the University MP MSU. Followed by the eighth number of the dental college that is present in the MP is the Guru Gobind Singh College of Dental Sciences, which is again affiliated with the MP MSU University, and that is present in the last second top dental college in Madhya Pradesh is the Index Dental College and University Indore, and the last college is the Baba Dental College Bhopal, and which is having the affiliation with the Baba University. So these are the list of the top 10 dental colleges of Madhya Pradesh. Now the importance of these colleges is that you can have the seat in these colleges easily, because Madhya Pradesh is the open state, but that too from the second round of counseling. And regarding the whole procedure, today video is all about that. This video might be a bit long, so please watch this video till the end. Along with that, there is the WhatsApp group available. One is for the dental jobs. The separate WhatsApp group is available. So for that you can join that group by DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, as a sweet gesture, followed by you can ask for the link. On the other hand, there is the second separate group available for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So if you want any kind of the help or the guidance, please join the NEET MDS 2023 counseling group, that too a WhatsApp group. Already I have told you many times about the benefits of the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. If you haven't checked out this video, then please do check out this video, which is already out on my channel. In this video I am not only tells about the Tamil Nadu fees. This video also contains the benefits of the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So you will get an idea, and after that you can DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, and you can follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, as a sweet gesture. And then you can ask for the link. Definitely after doing the registration, you can immediately add to the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Previously, there are two videos out on my channel regarding the first one, that is what are the open state and what is the list of the open state. This video is already out on my channel, so don't forget to check out that. Regarding this video, I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video, so don't forget to check out that. Followed by there is another descriptive video or a detailed video already out on my channel regarding the open state, that is the Uttar Pradesh, that there is a wide chances and variety to get the seat in the MDS course easily in Uttar Pradesh, because Uttar Pradesh is the open state. Now today also we are going to talk about the Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has few limitations, but still it considered to be a open state. How, when you will get the seat, what's the procedure, that is all we are going to talk about in this video. So don't forget to hit the like button to this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Right? And don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Now if we talk about the Madhya Pradesh state, Madhya Pradesh state is the open state, but that is open state or act as an open state or become an open state only in the second round of the counseling. That means in the first round of the counseling, MP state prefer two types of students. One who has done their BDS from MP, and second who has the domicile of MP. They are eligible to take part in the first round of counseling, right? And from the second round, it acts as an open state. That means it is open to all the students, no matter you have a domicile of any state, no matter about that, and no matter from where you have done your graduation or BDS, we can say, right? So it acts as an open state from the second round of counseling. Total number of colleges which are present in the Madhya Pradesh. So government college is only one government college present in Madhya Pradesh, followed by there are 15 private, yani 15 private colleges are present in the Bhopal and Indore. So if we compare with the Uttar Pradesh and the Madhya Pradesh, there is a very large difference between the cutoff and the rank, because if we see the number of colleges between Uttar Pradesh and the Madhya Pradesh, definitely there is the difference and the limitation comes here only. As we know that in case of Uttar Pradesh, there are 23-24 private colleges are present, right? And which is again offering a complete open state that anyone can come and take the admission in any college, in any branch of MDS, right? In Uttar Pradesh only. As there is the less number of private colleges present in the MP, that is only 15, which is comparatively less as compared to that of compared to the UP state. MP has less number of the private dental colleges and it has a less number of seats. Then that's why as compared to the Uttar Pradesh, MP has high cutoff, about a rank of 12,500 to a range of 13,000 and even up to some extent of 13,000 or 13,500 rank. You can easily get the clinical seat, and that too in the MDS course, and that too in the Madhya Pradesh. We talk about the fees of different colleges in Madhya Pradesh. They are in the range from 6 to 10 lakhs, depend upon the clinical branch and depend upon the colleges. Like it differ from college to college, but this is the normal range. Colleges list I have already told you, that was the top 10 dental colleges of Madhya Pradesh. As we know, there are two branches of the People's University. Along with that, there are other list of colleges like SRK, CDSH, PCD, Mansarovar, which we have already talked about, Ellen City, Modern Dental College, RDRC, HDCH, Jabalpur, which I have already told you. Then IIDS, that is also I have already told you. So if we talk about the government college in Madhya Pradesh, there is only one government college and which is having the fees of nearly about 65,000 per year fees is there. And they are giving the stipend of nearly about 64,000 per month. So see, yearly fees charges is 65,000 per year and stipend there is 64,000 per month. So you can see the benefit of doing the government MDS course from Madhya Pradesh. We are going to talk about the topmost branches of MDS course, that is the ortho, OS, prostho and even the endo. If you are having the rank of nearly about 9,000 or 9,500 in NEET MDS examination, you can easily get this topmost branches in Madhya Pradesh. The rank nearly in a range up to the 12,000, you can easily get the pedo seats or the periodontology as a MDS course. Talk about the non-clinical branches in the MDS course, that is the OP, OMR or even PhD. Total MDS course of 3 years will take in a range from 5 to 6 lakh. Some colleges even offer you in non-clinical seat, that is in total, that is in 4.5 lakh for 2-3 years, right? Like for whole MDS course. We talk about the best colleges for the OS branch, that is the oral surgery branch, and that too in Madhya Pradesh. Then the college is the People's College is very good, followed by the Sri Aurobindo College. Sarovar College is there, followed by the Modern Dental College. On the other hand, if you want to take the endodontic branch, then take admission in any of the college of the Bhopal or Indore, because they have a very good patient flow and practice. It's all about the whole scenario regarding the admission in the Madhya Pradesh, but still, don't forget about one thing regarding the Madhya Pradesh state, that when it comes to the first round of counseling, it only opens for those people who have done the BDS from the MP or who has the domicile of MP, right? Followed by it acts as an open state from the second round of counseling. So this is the main difference, right? So don't forget to keep this point in your mind. Open states is the biggest opportunity to all the NEET MDS aspirants who are having the lower rank, comparatively lower rank. And see, mostly open states is for the private college seats. Rarely there is somehow you can think of a government seat college, that too in an open state. If someone just left the seat at the last moment, and that is a very rare stuff, because we have a very less number of the government seats in India, and that too in the MDS course. Regarding that, there is one more video already out on my channel regarding the government seats in India. Don't forget to check out this video. I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. Query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you.